Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we're going to do our 10th yoga asana, known as Vrikasana, also known as the tree pose. First, come to a standing position in the middle of your mat. This video is going to be very short today, so we're just going to do the pose and we take it from there. Now, the tree pose requires 3 different stands. And it's a balancing pose. It strengthens your legs, your core, your balance. It helps you with focus, and it also aligns the spine. Now, if you have any trouble with balancing, it could be because of 2 reasons. It could be an inner ear problem, or you have 2 flat feet. And if you just focus on just balancing yourself and getting everything where it needs to be, it will be okay. So the first part of doing the pose is to have your feet lined on the balls of the mat, just so. And you're going to bring your bottom foot close to the ankle. Just let it lean. And this is the beginning level of doing the pose. You will also see that it will go to your calf as well. And then finally up to your inner thigh. Now, when you're balancing, have your arms out, because what will happen, it will just help you to keep focus on balancing. Just have it out and breathe in and focus. Hold in your core and let it down. And another way of doing it is to keep your hands pressed in together, fully aligned, and keep it on your ankle. This is the beginner's level, and it's a great way to practice. And also do it on the other side. You lean to the side and press your balls, your feet on there, and keep it very simple. And this is the beginner's level of doing the tree pose. Do this every day, because what's going to happen, it's going to come automatically after a while. Lean in. Beginner's level. And go back to the other side. Lean in. Okay. Now, never put your foot on your knee. Never on the knee. You use your foot, bring it up, put it into the groin. Go. Move your arms a little bit to help balance you. And go down. Now, this is a pose that is challenging for anyone, because as we get older, our balance does change on us. But you keep moving yourself so that you won't have that problem. You'll be able to balance and walk really nice and have your spine aligned very well. So that's the beginnings level of doing the tree pose. So see you next time on the mat. Namaste.